So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cat in CATIA. So today we are going to make this wooden box in a CATIA V5. So before that, let's discuss procedure of this drawing. So for that, first we are going to make this square. The sides of this square is 60 into 50, and after that we are going to make this semicircle and then this fillets. So let's start our drawing. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications on the CATIA V5. So first we are going to select ZX plane, then sketch, then select a center point square, make a square, give this side 60, and the length of this side is 50, and then exit sketch. Do not do exit sketch. After that, select a circle. Select a circle, make a circle on a vertical axis. The diameter of this circle is 20, and after that select a line. Before that, select a central construction line. Then make a line horizontally. After that, select a line. Make a line and then mirror this line. Then the length of this line is 5. After that, trim this part and then select here fillet. Select this edge, make a fillet. The radius of this fillet is 5. Then again select a fillet, make a fillet. The radius of this fillet is 5, and after that the distance of this point to this line is 75, and then select a 3-point arc circle. First select this point, then zoom it out, then select this point, make a circle, and again make a circle. There is some mistake. Select a circle, select this point, select this point, make a circle, and after that give the radius. The radius of the circle is 20, and then mirror this circle and delete this line. Then exit sketch, paired, mirror extend, and in the length type here 109 divide by 2. After that select a plane, make a plane offset to XY plane, and then the offset distance type in the offset distance type a 50. Preview, make sure that this plane is above the above this hemisphere. Okay, and after that select this plane, circle, sketch, hit to screen, and then make a center point circle, square, give the dimension. This time This is 52 and this is 101. We are making this square because we have to make a box. So for that we have to make this. So let's check it out. This is working or not. Exit sketch. Pocket. Mm, the pocket distance is and type here 91. Preview. Okay. The shell is ready. And after that we have to make one bar at this. So for that select this plane, sketch, select fit to screen, and after that select this edge of the hemisphere, project it and make it into construction line, and then select a circle, find the center point of this hemisphere, then make a circle, and the diameter of this circle is 12. 12. Okay. Exit sketch, fade. In the type, select here up to next, preview. Okay, the box is ready, and this is how we make this drawing in the CATIA V5. And I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. And thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel. Thank you.